How to create an Instagram page in just 2 minutes. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create an Instagram page in just 2 minutes. So let's just dive right into the video and do it. So to create an Instagram page quickly, you can open up an Instagram app and create an account first. Once you have created an account, you can head over to your account and tap on your profile to open up your page. Your profile. So once you are here, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, and this opens up the settings and activity. From this, you need to scroll and head over to this option which is called account type and tools, which is for professional. So just go ahead and tap on it. Once that is done, you need to switch up to a professional account. So go ahead and tap on next, and once that is done, if you're creating a business page, you can go ahead and do that, something like beauty, cosmetic, and personal care. After that, tap on the switch to professional account. Once that is done, since we are creating a page, tap on the first option, which is business. After that, tap on next, and what you need to do is add up your public business information, your email address, your phone number. After that, tap on next, or you can also select don't use my contact info if you want for that moment. After that is done, you can log in with Facebook as well if you want. For now, I am skipping it, but you can do that. And just go ahead and set up your professional account after that. And then once that is done, when you head back to your page, you should be finding a professional dashboard, which means your account has been changed into a page. So that is it for now. That is how you create an Instagram page very easily following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.